Okay guys, so before I start painting, there's a couple of little tabs and stuff here that I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of because I don't need them. We're not gonna be reinstalling the rear fender, so we're gonna be hacking that baby off. And so as soon as I get these cut off and stuff, then we'll be ready to lay the first coat of paint down and start getting on with our theme. Okay, so now that this part of the painting is done, I'm ready to go ahead and reassemble this thing and continue on with the progress. Okay, so I'm running into a problem here. I could tell it was going to be a problem when I was disassembling it, but I was hoping that maybe it was just, you know, just a little quirk. It would work itself back out. But these screws that clamp the throttle on here are like, they're stuck. They're like seized up. I like to never even got them like a half of a turn loose to slide them back off when I was first disassembling this. And now I've got them slid back on there and I'm trying to tighten them back up, but they just won't go. And as you can see, that's not tight. So I don't know, man. I end up having to cut the head off of these and then take pliers and then twist them out and then put new screws back in them or something. I don't know. It's not good. But the bike is painted and assembly is on its way. If I try to cut the head of these off, I could risk damaging this. And then if I cut them in there, that might work without damaging anything, but then there might not be enough bolt left over for me to grab with a pair of pliers to twist out of there to replace. I'm going to have to replace these bolts though because they won't loosen or tighten. Like I've stripped them out, trying to get them out to either tighten up or loosen. They won't do either one. What's your guys' thoughts? What the hell am I going to do with that thing to try to fix it? Status update. So I was able to successfully cut those bolts off. Got lucky and had two bolts that were the exact same size. They were just an Allen head, and we're back in business. Oh yeah. Hey guys, stay tuned because the very next episode is the grand reveal of the completed theme. So you don't want to miss this. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, just a friendly reminder, make sure to check out www.torqueracingproduction.com. We have all kinds of car-related gifts, man cave items, merch, you name it. Check it out. And also, don't forget to swing by our Facebook page so that way you can stay up to date on all the latest builds and, of course, our dark humor car memes.